Hello, language learners, and welcome back to Idiom IQ. Today, we've got a lesson that's going to elevate your English skills to the next level. Today, I'm going to explain some idioms to you. We're going to look at the examples, so hopefully by the end of this video, you will have learned colorful idioms that you can use when speaking English. So if you're interested, continue watching this video up to the very end. But before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy my content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Now, let's dive into another batch of color-related idioms. Blue in the face, meaning exhausted from effort. When to use, when you've tried hard but achieved little. Example, I argued until I was blue in the face, but she didn't listen. Yellow journalism, meaning sensationalized, exaggerated news. When to use, when talking about news that isn't entirely truthful. Example, I don't trust that paper. It's full of yellow journalism. Red letter day, meaning an important or special day. When to use, when a day is particularly special or memorable. Example, my graduation was a red letter day for me. A gray matter, meaning intelligence or brains. When to use, when talking about someone's intelligence. Example, solving this puzzle will require a lot of gray matter. Greenhorn, meaning a beginner or inexperienced person. When to use, when someone is new to something. Example, as a greenhorn in cooking, I burned the rice. White as a sheet, meaning very pale from fear or shock. When to use, when someone looks very scared or surprised. Example, he turned white as a sheet when he saw the test results. Pink slip, meaning termination notice from a job. When to use, when someone loses their job. Example, unfortunately, he got the pink slip yesterday. Black market, meaning illegal trade of goods or money. When to use, when discussing the sale of illegal or stolen items. Example, you should never buy anything from the black market. In the red, meaning in debt or losing money. When to use, when finances are not going well. Example, the business has been in the red for months. Golden boy girl, meaning someone who is successful and admired. When to use, when someone is doing exceptionally well and is favored by others. Example, she's the golden girl of the company right now. Hope these new idioms add some color to your vocabulary. That concludes our lesson on these insightful idioms involving colors. These are versatile phrases that you'll encounter frequently in English conversations, so mastering them is a valuable skill. Keep watching, keep learning, and keep exploring the fascinating world of idiomatic expressions here at Idiom IQ. If you found this lesson helpful, give it a thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe for more language tips and idiomatic adventures. Until next time, take care and happy learning.